Discover how a simple, natural supplement could transform your diabetes management. Berberine not only helps control blood sugar levels, but also boosts insulin sensitivity, aids weight loss, and lowers cholesterol. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties support overall health, while enhancing gut health and being well tolerated by most people. Dive into these 8 compelling reasons why every diabetic should consider Berberine now. Number 1. Improves blood sugar control. Research has shown that berberine is highly effective in lowering blood sugar levels, comparable to the impact of the widely used diabetes drug metformin. A study published in the journal Metabolism found that berberine significantly reduced fasting blood glucose and HbA1c levels, markers of long-term blood sugar control. This is achieved by activating an enzyme called AMP-activated protein kinase, AMPK, which plays a crucial role in regulating glucose uptake in cells and improving insulin sensitivity. For optimal results, it's recommended to take berberine in doses of 500 milligrams 3 times a day before meals. This helps ensure consistent blood sugar levels throughout the day. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting berberine to tailor the dosage to your specific needs and monitor for any potential interactions with other medications. Number 2. Enhances insulin sensitivity. As we continue, please subscribe to this channel if you're finding this video helpful. Thank you. Berberine's ability to improve insulin sensitivity is backed by solid scientific evidence. A study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology Metabolism demonstrated that berberine activates the AMPK pathway, which is essential for increasing insulin sensitivity and reducing insulin resistance. This means your cells can absorb glucose more efficiently, helping to lower blood sugar levels naturally. For best results, take berberine in 500 milligrams doses, 3 times daily, ideally 30 minutes before meals. This timing helps manage post-meal blood sugar spikes. A common challenge is remembering to take supplements consistently. To overcome this, set reminders on your phone or keep the supplement in a visible spot, such as next to your dinnerware. Number 3. Aids in weight management. Berberine has shown promise in supporting weight management, which is particularly beneficial for diabetics. A study published in Phytomedicine revealed that berberine can significantly reduce body weight and improve metabolic health. This effect is attributed to berberine's ability to activate AMPK, which boosts metabolism and enhances fat oxidation. For optimal weight management, take 500 milligrams of berberine 3 times a day, preferably 30 minutes before meals. This timing helps regulate appetite and improve meal-related energy metabolism. Additionally, incorporating regular physical activity and a balanced diet can amplify berberine's benefits. Many people struggle with consistent supplement intake. Using a pill organizer can help. Consult with a healthcare provider before starting berberine to tailor the dosage to your needs and integrate it effectively into your diabetes management plan. Number 4. Lowers cholesterol levels. Research in the Journal of Lipid Research shows that berberine decreases LDL cholesterol and triglycerides by promoting the excretion of cholesterol and bile and inhibiting its absorption in the intestines. This is particularly important for diabetics, who are at higher risk for cardiovascular diseases. To achieve these benefits, take berberine in 500 milligrams doses, 3 times daily, preferably before meals. This regimen helps ensure steady absorption and maximal effect. A practical tip is to incorporate berberine into your daily routine by pairing it with regular activities, such as brushing your teeth. Common obstacles include gastrointestinal discomfort, which can be mitigated by starting with a lower dose and gradually increasing it. Number 5. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a significant issue in diabetes, exacerbating complications and overall health. A study in clinical chemistry and laboratory medicine found that berberine has potent anti-inflammatory properties, reducing levels of inflammatory markers such as CRP and TNF-alpha. This reduction helps mitigate the systemic inflammation often seen in diabetics, promoting better health outcomes. To harness these benefits, take 500 milligrams of berberine 3 times daily, ideally before meals to ensure consistent absorption. Pairing berberine intake with anti-inflammatory foods like leafy greens and fatty fish can enhance its effects. A common challenge is remembering to take supplements regularly. Setting reminders or using a pill organizer can help. Number 6. Supports gut health. Maintaining a healthy gut is crucial for diabetics, as gut microbiota significantly influence glucose metabolism and insulin sensitivity. Research published in Nature Communications shows that berberine positively alters gut microbiota composition, promoting beneficial bacteria growth while reducing harmful bacteria. This improvement in gut health can enhance overall metabolic function and aid in better blood sugar control. To maximize these benefits, take berberine in 500 milligrams doses 3 times a day, ideally before meals. Incorporate fiber-rich foods like vegetables and whole grains to support gut health further. A common challenge is digestive discomfort, which can be minimized by starting with a lower dose and gradually increasing it. Keeping a food diary to monitor any adverse effects can be helpful. Number 7. Offers antioxidant benefits. Oxidative stress plays a significant role in the development and progression of diabetes complications. A study in molecular pharmacology revealed that berberine exhibits strong antioxidant properties by scavenging free radicals and enhancing the activity of antioxidant enzymes like superoxide dismutase, SOD, and catalase. This helps protect cells from oxidative damage and reduces inflammation, crucial for diabetic health. For best results, take berberine in 500 milligrams doses 3 times daily, preferably before meals. Pairing berberine with a diet rich in antioxidants, such as berries, nuts, and green leafy vegetables, can further enhance its effects. A common obstacle is ensuring consistent intake. Using a medication tracker app can be useful. Number 8. Natural and well-tolerated. Berberine's safety profile makes it an attractive option for diabetics. A study in the American Journal of Physiology, Endocrinology, and Metabolism highlighted that berberine is generally well tolerated, with few reported side effects when taken in appropriate doses. This natural compound provides a safer alternative to many synthetic drugs, offering similar benefits without severe adverse reactions. To achieve optimal results, take berberine in 500 milligrams doses 3 times daily, preferably before meals. Starting with a lower dose and gradually increasing it can help minimize any initial gastrointestinal discomfort. Consistency is key, so setting reminders or using a pill organizer can ensure regular intake. Always consult with a healthcare provider to tailor the dosage to your specific needs and monitor for any potential interactions with other medications. Incorporating berberine into your diabetes management plan offers comprehensive health benefits, from improved blood sugar control and enhanced insulin sensitivity to weight management and reduced inflammation. With solid scientific backing and a well-tolerated profile, berberine stands out as a natural, effective supplement every diabetic should consider now. You might also want to watch this video for other reasons every diabetic needs to consider berberine. And please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.